Okay, so hi everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. So today is Saturday, 8th of August 2026. I am currently traveling to Sonari. So this is the first time I am traveling towards that side after the recent Assam floods. Those, if there are any viewers here who is not from Assam, it's all over the news. I am sure you have seen the devastation that this flood did to the people, to the cities of Jorhat, Sibsagar and Sonari. So yeah, happy to have you along my journey, and we'll talk as we go and see things. Let's go. This is the upcoming Ladoigor toll gate. The roads have gone pretty bad after the flood in the monsoon season. Today will be Jorhat, Jaji, Sibsagar, through Sibsagar town, then Simoluguri, onwards to Sonari. I'm not taking the Joysagar Nazira route. Instead, I'm going through Sibsagar town. That's because I've heard there's a pool, there's a culvert that has broken and is currently under flood water. So it's better not to take the risk and take the safe route. Currently approaching Ladoigor serially, and that's the Ladoigor flyover. the left is the famous Namgar. Sorry that you can't see and I can't rotate the camera, but yeah, that's the road. And roads from here till Jaji, I think, will be pretty messed up. This stretch was in a poor state even before the flood and the monsoon season, but I think after the recent rains and the flood, the situation has worsened. Finally, a good stretch of road near Kakozan. This stretch is expected to continue till I think till Tiok, since Tiok was the main place where floodwaters almost submerged the highway. So the highways, from what I have seen in the news, the highways in Tiok are in pretty bad shape right now. This is Mudoijan. Currently it seems they're repairing the road, so they've closed that way and this has become Tiok town. That's the way to go to the famous pit stop, food villa. So those traveling towards Upper Assam from Jorhat to Sibsagar, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, they often wait at this restaurant, food villa. Pretty affordable, plenty of options, clean washrooms. So if you're traveling this way, you can definitely make a stop here. Another famous stop here, Jyoti Palace. This is comparatively new to Food Villa, but yeah, a lot of people make stop over here. So I'm assuming food is good here too. I haven't personally stopped or eaten here as of now. So we are reaching Jaji. Does Jaji know? Even this river was overflowing in the recent floods. If you take the right here, you will reach Amguri. And straight towards Upper Assam. From here till Gorisagar will be a good stretch, so I'll try to make up as much time and distance